In this video I'm going to show you how to record a drum beat very simply using a step time input. First of all I'm going to just call up a software instrument. In this instance we're going to be using the EXS24 sampler to get some drum sounds. I'll just find a drum beat from the actual Logic factory programs, just a very simple dry drum kit sound. Okay, and you can hear when I click and press the keyboard, we can hear some drum sounds. Okay, what we need to do next is, using the pencil tool, just actually make a part. Okay, we've made a part now, so I'm just going to click and drag around the top so that part is just going to cycle round one bar. Okay, we're not hearing anything at the moment because there isn't anything in the part. So if I double click the part, I'm going to go into what's known as the piano roll editor. If we click down here, you can hear the drum sounds that are assigned to each of the key in the sampler program. Okay, in the piano roll editor, if we get the pencil tool up, we can just click and add drum beats. Okay, I'm just going to undo that and do it a bit more slowly. Okay, so here, if I just adjust the resolution a little, we have, if I turn on the metronome as well, we can see we have one bar of 4/4, 1 beat, 2 beat, 3 beats and 4 beats. So I'm just going to very simply put a kick on beat 1 and beat 3, and then put a snare drum sound on beat 2 and 4. Okay, I'm just going to turn the metronome off because it's annoying me. Put another kick in just to embellish the rhythm a little, and whoops, just going to undo that. Just program some simple hi-hats on 8th notes. Missed. There we go. Okay, I'm going to just make that an open hi-hat and extend that to the end of the length of the bar. Okay, quite simply, that's how you can just simply make a very simply record a drum part using the pencil tool. Now, there's no kind of real groove to that, there's no real dynamic to that beat at all, so what we're going to do now is just kind of make the hi-hats go kind of double time. But you'll notice now when I play this, they're going to sound very much like a machine. There's no velocity or kind of change in volume on the hi-hats. Like if a drummer was playing really on the hi-hats, there'd be volume differences between maybe the right hand and the left hand hitting the hi-hat. See, that sounds very kind of just too metronomic, too kind of computerized. So if I just press escape to get my toolbox up and get the velocity tool, because I have every other hi-hat selected, what I'm going to do is just click and turn every other hi-hat down a little. Okay, now if you want to see what the velocities of things are doing, this little icon down the bottom, if you click that, that actually shows you kind of where your velocities are, and we can see that every other note, the blue one there, is down a little in velocities, and as I pull them down using the velocity tool, they go down. So there we have, very simply, a drum beat recorded using the pencil tool in the piano roll editor.